Hello, my name's Aidan McCarthy. I'm the Head of Digital Transformation at CEWA. Our aspiration is to provide a world-class Catholic education system where all our students, staff and parents flourish. In our schools and early years centres, we are working together as a community that is entirely focused on meeting the contemporary needs of our students, parents, staff and school communities in these rapidly changing times. Central to this is our exciting transformation agenda, which is already well underway right across Catholic education. We will continue to use lead, learning, engagement, accountability and discipleship as the strategic intent of our evolution. And we will support and empower every staff member and student on their journey through our digital transformation initiative, Leading Lights. Based on a proven foundation of Australian and global best practices, together with best-of-breed technologies, this digital transformation will empower all of us to reimagine the way we teach, learn, and serve in order to deliver the world-class learning experiences our students require. Leading Lights will provide opportunities to share, collaborate, and learn from each other and celebrate the innovations happening within our school. Anders Solman Nilsson, a Norwegian that spent time with his ambassador father in Canberra, recently launched a new book called Seamless. It resonates as engaged in our digital transformation that every member of our community operates with a seamless interplay between the ordinary, what is the status quo, and the extraordinary, what could be the future. As principals, teachers, students, parents, we are a community collaborating together to create a truly unprecedented, groundbreaking, intelligent transformation platform. We have branded this Leading Lights, an education conversation platform for flourishing learners, as it includes best-in-class digital technologies supported with deep security, analytics, and cognitive services to provide the insights needed to support the daily conversations of students, teachers, leaders, and parents. Leading Lights is implementing seamless digital experiences for education, for learning. Technology has vastly improved and we are in a perfect storm, where the technologies are where we need them to be to implement a highly integrated approach to communications and information across the digital and analog worlds, where the user experiences are provided with seamless transitions between both of these worlds. Leading Lights provides opportunities to transform all members of the community, wherever we are within the state. But where are we today? 163 schools, 4 central supporting sites, 80,000 students, 15,000 staff, and teachers spread across the second largest state region in the world. Innovation in our schools is not the issue. As it relates to technology, rather we have grown up over time with technologies, adding some, keeping some. Systems like Maze that are now 25 years old, or new initiatives such as online science curriculum, or new timetabling software, and a proliferation of apps. Each school now is a cottage industry as it relates to technology. We have complexity, with increasing collections of software and hardware services that require management, increasing costs, increasing devices, increased internet connectivity needs, and IT support. The most important casualty with this complexity is that more and more data is being found on each one of our students, what they learn, how they learn, but that information is locked into other organisations' databases. Some may allow access at a cost, others provide as they enable a service. None of it sits in our systems. To add to this complexity, as a system we are in need of data for compliance, government reporting, and to ensure core information like NAPLAN goes back to schools to make effective decisions. Today, this is difficult. It's time-consuming, costly, and often too slow to make a difference. Today, the technologies we have in education are not easy to learn, to manage, fun, or to use, or make our lives and roles easier. The goal of Leading Lights can be reflected by Arthur C. Clarke. Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. Today, we don't have that magic. The lessons learnt from other education systems is that keeping some pieces and adding new ones does not always provide a magical experience and usually more costly. That is why the Leading Lights team, after a significant review of systems around the world, review of current systems within our schools, and reflection on the reports of the Deloitte work on our communication platform, we have decided to reset. We want to simplify, to start again, and in doing so create a new platform that gives us the opportunity to start with the very latest in technologies that will set us up for the next 10 years. Mobile apps, security, safety, intelligence, analytics, the latest in collaborative learning systems. Leading Lights is made up of 6 projects. The planning began back in August 2016 and will provide different components that will be launched throughout 2017. 2018 will see all these projects come together ready for back to school. Ambitious? Yes. Transformative? Yes. Are schools ready? Absolutely yes. April 3 marks the beginning with Project Concierge, Seaward 365 and Curiosity Academy. Project Concierge, where every person in Seaward has their own personal identity that they will keep from registration to alumni. Other identities such as the new Western Australian ID, which will come soon, will also be aligned, but this new identity will also become our email. Seaward 365 will be launched at the same time, providing every school with a fully managed collaboration, communication, document management, and personal productivity toolset available anywhere, anytime, on any device. Curiosity Academy is a brand new platform. It will provide professional development, virtual schools, flipped classrooms, and personal learning opportunities. Project Insight has already begun, where the 40 databases that we have of data that's coming from every school is currently located. Current and historical information such as NAPLAN or religious education and WACE all come together in Project Insight to allow schools to have a deeply integrated view of their students, staff, and capabilities to analyse, see predictions, and with complete intelligence also provide recommendations. Project School Admin is the development of a new administration system. Attendance, wellbeing, finance, alumni management, asset management, marketing, integration with telephony, point of sales for uniform or canteen, enrolment, reporting, and MarkSport. It has the latest and most importantly, it means that we have data on everything. We own all our data, all in the one place. That allows us to make our own reports, add new features, and drive insights with analytics. Finally, Project Celebrate provides opportunities to showcase students, teachers, schools, gain certifications, badges from within school, within SEWA, and also from external organisations like Apple's Distinguished Educator Program or Microsoft's Showcase Schools. As Mother Teresa or Saint Teresa of Calcutta once said, "You can do what I cannot do. I can do what you cannot do. Together we can do great things." Leading Lights to be successful requires deep collaboration in its planning and acknowledgement from all stakeholders that different people provide different expertise. How we got here shows that engagement and the work we are undertaking to create and execute Leading Lights. In essence, we need you all the way through. Building upon the scenarios developed over 18 months ago from the Deloitte reports, feedback from schools and leaders, even students, we've then developed journey maps of students, from enrolment to alumni, and all the paper and digital touch points in between. How can we make it better? Blueprints were created to ensure what teacher and students need can be articulated for IT, so technology does indeed deliver on the needs, rather than IT providing a solution that doesn't reflect what teachers or students want. We then created the technical architecture. It began in December 2016. The user experiences are underway now. Portals for students and parents, not what they have today, but what they need for tomorrow. Your help in guiding us in that area is absolutely critical. Throughout this process, we need that user feedback. Leading Lights is a conversation platform. It will never be complete or fixed. It will always be developed and enhanced upon as requirements come in. Change management and school engagement will be provided in subsequent presentation overviews. As Pope Francis indicates, change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we've been waiting for. We are the change that we seek. Leading Lights is our journey. Your involvement, your feedback, your reflections, your needs are not only required, but necessary for success. With our new platform launched on April 3, stay informed by checking out the Leading Lights website, download the playbooks, and join the conversations on Yammer or other communities that we have. Make sure to celebrate your school. Leading Lights, transforming learning for all.